Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make molds at home. So let's get started. First of all, you need a plastic sheet. Then draw your desired shape through a ruler. I want a rectangular shape 3 inches long and 2 inches wide. So I'll go according to my desired shape. Remember one thing, to making a plastic sheet mold, we need to set boundaries all around. So I'll leave the 0.75 inches on all 4 sides. Actually, there are 2 ways to making molds. This video is based on part 1. I'll show you the another way of making molds in part 2. So stay tuned. Again, leaving the 0.75 inches. Now mark a width. I want a 2 inches wide shape. Let's mark first so that it will be easier to draw later. Again, I will leaving the 0.75 inches on both sides. Let's combine and draw all the marks together. First, draw the outer line, then the inner. So this is how it's look like. After drawing, let's cut it. First, cut the inner lines, not a deep cut actually. All you have to do is lightly cut so that the piece does not fall apart. This is so that the sheet can be bent easily. Now cut the outer lines. In this time we need a deep cut to fall apart. Now bend the boundaries on all 4 sides. Now make small cuts all around so that it can be bent easily. Be careful while cutting because we don't need a long cut. If you make a deep cut, your resin may leak, so be careful. Set the all boundaries with hands to make a good shape. Now it has become a proper form. Let's glue all the corners to seal it up. Done gluing it. Now all the corners are sealed. We will use tape to make it more protective and sealed. Wrap the tape all around. Make the small cuts in corners and bend it out. It's done almost. Let's test the resin to see if it works. Stir, stir, stir and mix it well. So I'm so excited. Let's see the results. Hope it's worked well. Looks like it's working well. There is no leakage. Mission successful. Let's heat it to get the bubbles out. Let's dry it completely. It takes 6 to 7 hours. After curing, it looks like it has become dry and solid now. So let's demold it. Here you go. You should also try this way of making molds. It works pretty well. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for further more creative ideas. That's it. See you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.